All right, I am back on in between my testing the kitchen stuff citrus handheld juicer. Earlier today I made a just roasted some chicken thighs with my my own seasoning that I put together, the seasonings, whatever you really have in your cupboard of seasoning, like paprika, salt and pepper, garlic, onion, basil, oregano, chili, cayenne pepper, anything, like just anything in your cupboard of spices, seasoning. So this is how it turned out anyway. But then I thought to myself, because I had a half of lemon, not a full half, like I had a half, but I already squeezed some for something else. So, but I still had a good amount. I sliced up onions and used it on the pan at the bottom. So I sliced up some onions. I seasoned that with the same spices that I just mentioned. Some olive oil and crushed garlic, a couple of crushed garlic, and then I just mixed up the onions like that, spread it out, and put the chicken on top. Again, and then I put more, drizzled some olive oil on the chicken itself, and spread it around the chicken, and then the seasoning again on top, and then I roasted the chicken, okay? But then when it came out, I got a lot of liquid. Before it came out, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes before, in between that I flipped, okay? I flipped the chicken, and then when I flipped the chicken, I think that's when I noticed a lot of liquid came out of the chicken and whatever, right? So I actually had to take the juice out because it was so full. So that's what I got. So there's chicken, I guess, the chicken drippings and all the spices. The onions are there, but I got the liquid. So I'm like, what am I going to do with this? I can thick it up and make a gravy, I guess, or do what the Greeks do. And I'm going to put it in the baking dish. And I have a potato. I'm going to just roughly cube it, I guess. And put it in and roast the potato in that. I'll put more seasoning over the potato and see how that turns out. And then it'll go with my chicken. Plus I've been doing that basil and spinach and basil pesto. It's nutless, right? So I've been making that weekly on hand so I can have it. So I made the orzo pasta to go with it. I hope this dish is big enough. That piece. Oh boy. I'll make it fit. make it fit. Okay, so I'm gonna get the seasoning. Okay, so here's my seasoning, and I have to replenish. So like a tablespoon of each, or not the salt, but this tablespoon of everything that you like, and then maybe a teaspoon of salt. It depends on the amount of seasoning. Like don't overdo the salt, I guess. So I'll just sprinkle more on top. And then I'll just roast it in my toaster oven. And we'll see how it goes. All right, so that's one potato right there. And the chicken turned out really good. I'm like, yeah. Doesn't look too appealing right now because it's all stacked up. But it went really well with the orzo pesto. All right, so we will be back when this is ready. All right, I'm back on and giving it a try. It cooled down probably too much now because I am in the middle of editing things. Whoa, focus. Looks good. I flipped it around a few times. Didn't time it. Just like any other potato, just roast it accordingly. And then check it after, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And then, poke it with the fork. Flip it around. And then I put it under broil at the end. So I broiled it for a few minutes. It's still warm. It's good. Oh yeah. That was a good idea. Could use a bit more salt, but it's so good. Very, very good. Take your bite. Yum. Another way to use up chicken drippings and then it's a bit, so it is lemony, not too much. You can add more lemon if you wish, but I just used up the other half I had, so good. But a lot of liquid. It wasn't, maybe, just one moment. I think, because I do rinse off my chicken, so I was rinsing as I was going along. I didn't rinse and let it dry up or whatever. So I rinsed it, let some of the water drip off from that in the sink, and then I put it in the pan. So there could have been water still on the chicken, which is fine. I didn't mind. But look at, there's still, it evaporated into the potatoes. It's very good. So use your drippings and add lemon, garlic, onion, all the good stuff, and bake and roast potatoes in it. And it works. And take your bite. So good.